Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. So, today we have for you some clutch stuff that we've been saving up for a bit. And it's finally, the transmission's gonna go on the motor thanks to this stand that we made. As you can see, I can roll it around if I want to. Yeet. Didn't have money to buy one, so we made one. And hopefully it works when we put it in the car. But for now, it's doing the job. And to begin, we will be putting the new fork that we have here. Clutch fork. As you can see. And then the spring into here. And then we're going to put the throwout bearing. And we're going to put a new rear main seal because I put this one a while back when I first put the motor together. And I don't know, I saw some oil coming out, or I don't know if it was residue from the pan when it was upside down or whatnot. But I'm not going to risk it, so I'm going to take it off and put a new one on, which is right here. So, yeah, bear with me, you guys. It's going to be sort of lengthy video, maybe 10 minutes. I'll try to keep it under that, but we'll see. Now we're gonna open our box. This is a stage 3, and then throwout bearings in here, and then clutch alignment tools in there also. Sticker and another sticker, a banner and a sticker. Not really a banner. But yeah, stage 3, 6 puck sprung. And then here is our throwout bearing. Hands look like that because they were in the glove, but yeah. Alright, you guys, we have the flywheel on, rear main seals on. Don't forget to put your red thread locker. You don't want these bolts, just one drop and that's it. You don't want them backing out when you're doing a crazy pull. Just one drop, you guys. That's all you need. If not, you'll never get this sucker off. If you glob it on there. Alright, we got our flywheel on there, torque down to spec. It is action clutch if you haven't noticed already, and this is a chromoly lightweight flywheel, so should be lighter than some, I guess, the stock original one, obviously. And we got more hardware over there. So clutch is next. Like I mentioned earlier, your clutch alignment, the clutch, and then your clutch plate. Now, I am not sure if I didn't get it, but there's supposed to be a thrust bearing here, and there isn't. But for my sake, I'm just gonna run it like that. Don't really matter if it breaks, it's on me. If it was you, if you have it, just put it on. Depends how you feel about it. Okay, clutch is on. Battery's about to die. So hopefully we can get through this video.